fall on you.
I'm gonna sandwich him so I can pick him up. Lay him on the floor. You got a shoe?
I got shoes over.
She's got shoes.
She got shoes. We're ready. Lord Jesus, help us. Jesus, Jesus, please. Come on, Jesus.
I hope it's in
No,
focus.
that's okay. She's fine.
Do you have the sound on the video to hear this?
Yes, I
Come
do.
on, man.
Did you get
You
him?
got it?
Yeah, you know, the ratio will kill anything.
Holy cow.
Oh, there he is. Yes. He's on there. Okay. Where is he?
Oh.
He's under this. Wow! That is big. Hit him. Let me go so I can get the shoes. She got it. It's dead.
Okay, go with the face. Say
Okay,
face.
go. Don't let it drop it on the porch now. Somebody might step on it once it's not clean.
Yeah, take him to the right. Take him way over here out of the way.